Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a little mini Dollar Tree haul. I kind of stopped going to the Dollar Tree as soon as the Dollar Tree went from $1.25. From $1 to $1.25. But I haven't done a video for today for the channel, so I decided to make a video because we got a few little things for my girls there, and I thought the things that we got are sort of pretty much new, so I wanted to show you. So let's get started. Remember to click subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much. And remember to click down or the little bubbles that they come up for recommended videos that you would like to watch. And let's get started. We are now officially in summer break, so most of the things that I got here are to include in activities to do throughout the summer, because my daughters, but one of them is in first grade going to second grade, is not going to summer school because of everything happening. I'd rather keep her at home, and if I have to do some teaching or learning or anything like that, I can do it myself. So I want to show you what I got. First, I'll show you the toy kind of things that they grab, and then I can continue. Layla grabbed this little fishing game. It has the 3 fish and the little fishing rod or fishing hook. She got this one to play with. It's great to help them, especially for my preschoolers. Especially for the preschoolers are 3 years old or 4 years old, to start counting. It's helpful to how many you have and how many did you catch. It's helpful for learning. I got tape. This is the Jot brand, and Jot brand is Dollar Tree brand. So Jot brand, this is like kind of like the matte tape. I wanted the clear one like this one, but I didn't find this one. I usually do this for when I need to tape something really quick for my Etsy shop, and when I mail things, that's where I use it. And yeah, the other item that we found were these. Now these are paint your own artboard. There's 30, and they are from PBS Kids. PBS Kids. Now these are from Dinosaur Train, and they have, look, that's the little dinosaur. They also have from other two, like another one besides the one I got. And then we got Arthur, and of course that's how it looks. Arthur, and it includes the little paints that it actually needs. The blue for the pants, the red for the shoes, the yellow for the sweater, the orange for the backpack, and for his skin, and the brown for his glasses. And it tells you here the color, so it's pretty neat for, again, another afternoon of learning. This is helpful for your first grader or your preschooler. For your preschooler, you might want to get big pictures, big drawings, so it's easier to fill in. And for your first grader or second grader, it's great to have dimensions and like sections, so they learn how to color within the line and within each section. So that's for Luna and Layla, even though Layla got the Arthur one, by the way. Okay, they also got these books, and again, these are from PBS Kids, and they got like a huge variety of one. You get to like a day of learning, a day of reading. From this one, this is the only one that I found. You can see level 2. Luna, it is going to second grade. Come on, Light. She has in the bilingual classroom, so she gets Spanish, English, and right now she's the 90-10. So 90 Spanish, 10 English. Second grade, it'll be 80 Spanish, 20 English. And the teacher has actually told me to try more of the English over the summer, so she can kind of hit up to her second grade, because she's really good right now at Spanish, but not so good in English, even though she knows, but not as the level that they should be. You know what? And this is Arthur, Mac Brown's Arthur Breaks the Bank. You can see level 2. Now I'm going to show you just one page of the inside so you can see like what I'm talking about. Level 2. It has a lot of pictures and some readings. Hold on. It has a lot of, like, a little bit of readings. The light goes crazy. reading, like picture, a little bit of reading, pictures. So this is great. They don't get bored. They see different pictures. Really helpful. Then I got all of these. From these ones, I did get all of them that they had. So I have the full collection of the Arthur. What do they call it? Being patient, honesty, being polite, and trying new things. All of these are good and new things that the kids should try, especially my second grader, your first grader, your second grader, going into a new school, going to a new grade. This is helpful to learn, especially when they're learning and they're getting into a new classroom. It's helpful to help them throughout the summer to not be afraid. So my first one that says being patient, it says Arthur loses his patience, so he gets to learn. Now these books are a little bit different, because it's a whole scene and then you're reading. It's really neat. The pictures are really nice. For honesty, we have The Truth Pops Out, and it's a garage sale with Buster, or what is his name? I think that's what's his name. And all of these books are PBS Kids books. Being polite. Being polite, it says manners matter. It's important to teach these because nowadays kids are very rude and they don't say sorry or thank you or anything like that. And our last one is trying new things. I try to teach them try new things a lot, because trying new things goes into, it's a new school, try a new thing, try a new friend, try to learn something new. Little kid. So trying new things is very important. They are hardcover and they are in color. So they can learn maybe, red is for being polite and things like that. They can learn again with the colors. So it's really neat. The Dollar Tree right now has really good things. The next thing, well, this one is not a toy, not nothing. It's a little mirror, compact mirror Layla got. It says, love is in the air. I think I had another little notebook. Luna, can you bring your other notebook? You see that? And then we have the mirror. Two mirrors there. This is actually nice, really compact. There's the mirror. Yep. There's the mirror that Layla got. They also got a crunch little chocolate. The other thing that they got, Luna got this notebook. Luna got this notebook. Now, what we're doing with this notebook, she gets to practice maybe writing. She gets into a lot of drawing, and sometimes she writes a little note or a little sentence, and that's what I want. I don't want no scribbles or nothing. I want nice pictures or nice sentences or nice titles. It is a line notebook, and it's a hardcover book. And what is this? Spiral notebook. It has 80 sheets, and it's really neat. And it has a donut. Do not give up. Do not give up. Try again. Then they got this card for Father's Day. Now this card, it says, with love from your daughter on Father's Day. Luna chose it for her dad. We're just going to fix and write a little S because there's two daughters. And that's what the inside says. I'm not going to read it in case he sees it. And the little flower for him. Okay, now the last items that I got are not school related, but they could be helpful. They had this little boxes. This is the only one that I saw of the Lion King. It says Rock and Roar. Now this is the Tin Box Company. I'm not sure if this is a dollar brand or it's a good brand that they have these, but I like it. Look at the size. This one is for me actually. The Lion King, and it's a tin box. It has a little latch, and the inside is like this. They are a little bit small. Look it, as big as my hand. My hand is a little bit bigger, but it's nice. They could put things in here. I'm pretty sure like crayons could fit in here. A little notebook could fit in here. Talking about little notebooks, I thought I had a little notebook. Where is it? What happened to the little panda notebook? It's not here. What happened? Okay, I got the little lion one. That's for me. And then Luna got this one. Oh, it's a little bended right here on the back. It's from Vampirina. And it says what is it? Best friends are forever. Okay, yeah. Best friends are forever. There's that. And then Layla got this one. Look, okay, see the sides, little bats and little stars. And Layla got this one. And then there was another one with Vampirina, like really big here, which I also like, but she got this one. She can choose whatever she wants. The little guitars on the sides. And the little friends on the side. And it says, Ghouls Girls. And again, the little latch. And it opens and it's white on the inside. All of them are. They also had what is it called, pajama friends or something like that. The little kid that turns into a lizard or a gecko. You know, those. There's that. Oh, I found a little notebook. Look at Luna got this little notebook for her. I mean Layla. Look at the little pandas, and it says notebook right here. Notebook garnet. Now these, I can open the inside. It's by Jot as well. It's tiny, and the paper inside, it's lined, and it's green. And you can see for like this size of, hold on Layla, for this size of thing, the little notebook fits right in there. And little crayons and little things. And they have a little a little carry-on thing that you can take in the car and do squiggles, squaggles, and things like that, especially for the preschooler that doesn't know how to write yet. The next thing that I got, this one's actually for me as well, for my papers for my Etsy shop. It's these folders. It's 2 folders in a pack. So you can see Little Mermaid on the front, find your own voice. And on the other side, it's a princess one. Again, Ariel, Rapunzel, and Cinderella. This was actually the only one that I saw. It was in between the books and the coloring books and such. And that's where I found it. There you go. See, that's how it looks from the front. And the back just says Disney Princess and the tie-dye thing. It's really nice. I use this for my Etsy receipts that I save for tax day. Yeah. And the last thing that I got, the last thing is this McCormick storage container. They had a whole bunch area with a whole bunch of sizes. I have Tupperwares that are small and little and mini. I just didn't have ones that were very big like this and flat that they could fit on the refrigerator. And I got 2 of them. So 2 lids and 2 containers. Look at that. Because my face or even bigger. And this is 12 cups or 96 ounces container. You can save here your watermelon, take it to the park or anything like that. In McCormick brand, it's a, the Mayo brand. McCormick is really nice. And it's not a Dollar Tree brand. So, gotta be good, right? Oh, almost forgot the last item, a little hedgehog. Look at that. It's a little plush. It's a Fuzzy Friends. And it's a little hedgehog friend. They also had it in other colors. Luna got this little hedgehog. I didn't want to miss showing you. So cute, huh? Bye. I also wanted to mention this one. Puzzles. This is also a PBS Kids puzzle. Look at this one. It's for everybody. I also have I had another one with DW. I just can't find it. But this is great with the 24-piece puzzles for you to start your child if it's at first grade. There are puzzles of 12 pieces as well that you can start with your preschool or your kindergarten one. Anything from the 24-piece and up. You can see it's 5 years and older. I don't know if this one says 5 years or older. But PBS Kids, 5 years or older, are your 24-piece, the 12 pieces for your younger kids. But your second grader and all that, you can bump it up from your 24-piece to the 36-piece to the 60-piece. Now, this one is from the brand Craze Art. Craze Art is like crayons. This is the USA map puzzle. This one, it's great, absolutely great for them to start doing it. the puzzle, of course, and to start learning the states. It's never too early, it's never too late to start learning things. So when they get to the point, they'll have something fun and say, oh, I know it. And summer is great. And this one has a great, it's super nice because see, each state has something related to each state. Let's say like Florida has flamingos, California has pines and like kind of looks like Hollywood. You see a little camera. Texas cowboys, Georgia peaches, what else? Nebraska the corn. Oh, this one's funny. The North Dakota has little oxes, or what do you call those? And it's really nice. So it's really not too early to start on your maps, your puzzle mind, and this, it gets them really entertained. You can glue them, especially this one. You can glue them in another piece of cardboard, or I use these bigger envelopes that, see, this is from Tassel Recycle, and then you can leave the map there and put it up in the wall, and they can keep learning at it. Or if they really liked it a lot, they just keep it as a whole thing, or they can just practice. Like this one is really nice because like this one doesn't have the example of it, but like this is a square or a rectangle, and this Blue's Clues, it says Blue's Clues and You, is 24 piece, and look, the shape, it's like the little thinking couch. It's not a perfect square or a perfect triangle, so it's really nice. This one's from Nickelodeon. This one is from the Craze Art. And of course, our PBS Kids little puzzle. PBS Kids, yeah. So it's really fun for you to start on to things. Now, be good, right? Yeah, that is all that I have for today for the Dollar Tree haul. Inspire into learning and still keep in touch with reading and all throughout the summer for your kids. So make sure you stop by and get your PBS Kids items from the TV that you can get and find and paint and learn and keep your summer fun. That's what counts the most. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Click subscribe if you haven't done so. If you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.